so strange that you live in a place for so long and still know so little about it. Had it not been for the quiz competition we went to, we wouldn't be here today.
India is the birthplace of and home to many different faiths and religions. For centuries, these religions and faiths have coexisted and even flourished. Today we are here to find out a little more about the architecture of faith. How much do you know about your own religion and those of your friends and peers? The oldest existing temple in India dates back to 108 CE. One of you had put their hands up. Yes, the lady here.
It's Mundeshwari Devi Temple in Bihar.
Mundeshwari Devi Temple on the Kaimur Plateau in Bihar is absolutely correct. Well done. And talking about Christianity, do you people know which the oldest church in India is? This was started in Kerala in the year 52 CE. Which apostle of Christ, one of the original 12 followers or disciples, built this church?
St. Thomas.
St. Thomas, also known as Doubting Thomas, because he doubted the fact that Christ had risen. Absolutely correct. Well done. That is such a lovely answer. Can anyone tell me which is the oldest Sikh Gurdwara presently in India? Yes, right here.
It's Harmandir Sahib.
Harmandir Sahib is spot on. Well done. That is the correct answer. India saw its first mosque being built in 629 CE. That's a long time ago. Do you know which mosque it is and where? I see hands going up, but the first one was here. Let's have it.
Cheruman Perumal Juma Masjid, Kerala.
The Cheruman Perumal Juma Masjid in Kodangalur is absolutely correct. Well done.
So the other day when we came back from that quiz, I realized there is so much that we don't know about our cultures and religion. So I was thinking that we should get together and visit some historical places in and around Delhi.
दिल्ली में बहुत सारे टेम्पल्स हैं, जैसे कि कालका जी टेम्पल हो गया, भैरव टेम्पल हो गया, जैन टेम्पल हो गया. सो उस दिन के बाद जब हम क्विज़ के बाद गए योगमाया टेम्पल, मैं और इरम, तो हमें पता चला कि ये सबसे पुराना मंदिर तो है, बट क्योंकि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि दिल्ली का सबसे पुराना टेम्पल योगमाया टेम्पल है. वहाँ पे अभी भी आप जाओ तो वहाँ पे पुराने रेलिक्स हैं. You know, the Yogamaya temple may be the oldest one in Delhi, but it is very less frequented. We have places like these, and many others, which attract devotees in thousands of numbers.
Look at the number of people here. It all started when I came across that quiz, and it was interesting that there were lots of questions that were asked. I was lucky enough to answer one of the questions, which was about the Quwwatul Islam being the oldest mosque, but I had not been there. Like, I had been to Qutub, I have seen that place, but I didn't know that it's there, because it's such secluded place. Nobody really talks about it. So I kind of got interested after that quiz. I got interested in knowing more about it.
I like coming here. This is Seesganj. Though it is not the oldest Gurdwara in Delhi, but I have particular affection for this Gurdwara because my grandmother used to come here. And she used to do car seva here. She was an Amritdhari Sikh. She used to wake up at 4 to come here. I don't know, I find some solace in this place.
Sacred Heart Cathedral was the church that I used to think was the oldest church in Delhi.
as it was just next to my school and I'd been seeing it since I was in 6th grade or something. But later on I found out through my mother that Central Baptist Church is actually the oldest church in Delhi, and one of our old great uncles, I would say, was ordained here for a pastor and was even a member for a very long time. About the churches, temples and mosques, I got to know that day only, how rich Delhi is.
Yeah. I mean, even Yog Maya temple, right? Remember?
Yes.
She and I actually discussed.
Yes, we went there but we were not aware that it is the oldest temple in Delhi. अगर हम ध्यान दें तो हमारा म्यूज़िक ने एक दूसरे से इतना कुछ, हर रिलीजन से इतना कुछ सब ने लिया हुआ है कि अगर हम चाहें भी ना तो अलग नहीं कर सकते उसको.
The founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak, his favorite compatriot, the one who travelled the world with him, was a Muslim, Baba Mardana. Also in, Guru Granth Sahib, the Sikh holy text, there are sayings, verses of Muslim Sufi saints.
I come from Kashmir. There I have never celebrated Christmas, Holi, Diwali, nothing. But it was not until I came to Delhi that I have participated in all these festivities along with my friends who are Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians. In fact, the Christmas that we have, my Hindu friends and I celebrate as if this is our own personal festival. And that's the feeling that nobody can take away.